Why have ice cream or lava cake when you can have something that warms your soul and comes with a lot of health benefits? Like this peach gum dessert soup! It's the evening before our peach gum dessert shoot tomorrow, and we're just gonna soak some peach gum. Peach gum not only has a really nice texture, it has collagen-rich properties which will make your skin toing toing. Hello, it's me again. So yesterday we soaked our peach gum, now we just need to soak our white fungus for about 30 minutes and then we're ready to cook! By the way, all the ingredients I'm using today is from this Yuan Sang peach gum bundle. It's so convenient and everything I need is already inside here. And also, it's at a damn good price! On top of that, they got quite the free gift. One free box of collagen bird's nest with every peach gum bundle purchase. Promo available online and in-store. Check out the link down below or go to your nearest Yuan Sang store to pick up your bundle. The peach gum is naturally picked from trees, so we're gonna pick out all the impurities to make sure it doesn't impart any bitterness to the soup later. Cute, cute, boing, boing. We're gonna cook this for 30 minutes and we have our dessert soup. See you in 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
I like having mine warm, but if you want to have it cold the next day, that's fine too. Wow, you see. It looks like, I don't know, it looks like jewels, man. So pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Honestly, this was very easy to make. Everything comes in a bundle, just need to soak some ingredients and throw them in the pot and then cook. I can instantly feel my face like the skin getting nicer. Right. Yeah. Go and get the peach gum bundle. It's so wuhua and then still got free bird's nest. Go. Online or in-store also can. You want to try? It's so good. All the ingredients I'm using today. Damn good price. Promo is available both in-store. Promo is available. Promo is available both online and in-store. Just check out the link down below or go to your nearest Yuan Sang store. Promo available both online and in-store. Promo available both online. You don't Promo